how to put everything back in the box for this Shock Armor kickstand case. I'm going to return this. So I'm going to return it in the condition I found it. Except for I did use the wet wipe. But I think they'll probably forgive me for that. So I'm just going to go ahead and put everything back the way I found it. So here's the wet wipe. I'm actually going to use that to wipe out the interior of this. And it was pretty dried out. And get my fingerprints off the back. But this actually came with fingerprints on the inside, so I wonder if somebody else returned it and then repackaged it. I'm not accusing anybody of everything. I'm just wondering. And then I'm going to take this. Clean that. Like so. And so I believe these dust removal stickers were there. This was here. This little guy was there. This was there, and this was there. And that was all in this side, which actually got my greasy fingerprints on this too. We'll wipe that off, make that nice for them. Okay, so that's the one with the cover. That came separately. Actually, it came pretty much, pretty sure this came wrapped like this. Oh, you know what? See, this is why I wanted to do this. So it had this sticker here. Okay, I have these two kind of panels. So I had this panel, I believe, was on top, like that. Right? Yep. And then this panel, I believe, was inside. Like that. So do that. So put that back. Okay, and this sticker was said remove. That was like this, I believe. And that was like where you press the button. Let's do that better. Line that up with the circle. And then this goes in the bag. Like that. I think it was like this. That goes like that. Okay. Now this had the frame inside already when it came, so we're going to do that. Make sure that frame's inside. I'm going to put that back in this bag. This. Now, the wet wipe already used, so I'm not going to put the used wet wipe back in the box. That would not be appropriate, I don't think. It goes like that. And then cover like that. And this all goes in the box. Like, make sure that flap is out. Like that. And we're done. Then we're going to take that back for return. Sorry it didn't work out, Shock Armor. You have a great product. I just really need this kickstand to be in a different place and away from the lenses. So a little bit of positive feedback for you there. Constructive criticism, as it were. Otherwise, great product. I think it'll do really well for somebody who who drops their case a lot. I don't drop my phone very much. All right. Having said that, I'll probably drop my phone. All right. I hope you guys have a great day. And if this helped you at all, smash like, and I'll see you on the next one. Good luck.